Hey guys, so today what I'm doing is I don't know what I'm doing. I'll just be like showing you a bunch of cool glitches in the new Christmas update, and yeah, I think I might make this a shorts video, so yeah. So first you come forest, I guess. Well, any map that has the train. And first, the one most people know is hit this, and at the same time you grab this trigger on the side. And yeah, but another one is a teleportation glitch. So if you like, boom. So you don't let go of this button, and then you touch the ground, and then you stop touching the ground, and then, but if the train gets too far away, then it doesn't work sometimes. Like, see, like since the particle effects like stopped over there, like if you have anything on you that has like particle effects, then most of the time you can tell when the train is out of range. You know? Just like... Oh. There you go. Like, see my hat particle, because I have the volcano hat? My hat particle is staying with the train. And, see? And sometimes it'll be like this, you know? The particle effect for the sparkler. So, yeah. And yeah. So those are just a few tricks. You could also like hide inside the train. I don't know if you knew this, but you could like grab onto this part. Just like hide in here. And that'll keep you pretty good, well hidden. Unless, you know, you're like sticking your hand out or something. Or if you have like particle effects like me. Like my hat. Or my sparkler, you know. And you can also make Doug. Hi.
Stop.
Could also make Doug like really small. If you like grab him. I'm pretty sure a lot of you might have known this before, but yeah. If you just take Doug, grab to the train, and just throw him out of the map. Well, not out the map, but like out of here. See, he stays tiny, and he also goes really fast. Oh shoot! Go the train! Why is the sparkler so loud? Catch the train! Just gonna stand there, watch me burn. Okay. I don't know why I had to ride it around when I just go around, but so you see Doug right there? I wonder how long it'll take for me to catch him. You ready, Doug? Oh, did I get him? No. Yes, get on the candy cane. Yes, no. There's no way I'm not catching him. What? So I guess you can't grab him when he's small? What is this? No! I grabbed the snowball on accident. What is this hitbox? See, you can't grab him. But now he just looks like a fly. Oh, he's stuck. Yeah. Just a couple cool glitches and things you could do with the new Christmas up. Well, not really new. I guess it's about to be over in a bit, but yeah. Could also, oh yeah. Also, if you wanna meet me in the code, this is my fan code. Could be my name, or it can be Crantux. So I'll put them on screen at the end. And yeah, hit the target. Come on. Yeah. 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 Yeah.